Where we are is like if you have any doubts, you can ask me because if I am going little fast or slow, the point is gap up opening is there. You need to know who is losing and then immediately open the put side. Gap up if it is a gap up. If it is a gap down, immediately open the call side. You have to do always in the reverse way. There is one saying in stock market. It is not told by me, it is by DMart owner. There is one guy is asking him why 90% of the people lose in stock market means don't do that. Whatever the 90% is doing, don't do that. Do it in a reverse way always. Whenever I told you why because sellers will do like that only. Whenever there is a gap down on that day on Friday, immediately I opened call side because I know put writers will do some kind of action. That is the reason I went to the call side. You can see this is the 915 candle. I did not trade on that. Just I was looking because it is in the middle. It is in the middle and there is a event also. You can see in my charts also on the day there is an event. RBI is meet is there. So I was keeping quiet. These candles, no event based candles that we should not think much after that. It has not taken any wicks, even though in the index it is taking, even though in the index it is clear, but on the CERPE, it's not so clear for me. So what I have done is I did not trade on that at this particular 915 candle. I was waiting, and then of course it came here. When it came here also, exactly the meeting has started at 10 o'clock on the RBI. I did not do any kind of trade. But when I have seen by 10:30 or 10:20, 15, 20 minutes is enough to settle down in such kind of event-based markets. So, you see, it has come here. I know that from here, writers are going to do the game. PE writers will take the action from here because for the PE writers, this is the least point they can buy. Beyond that, it goes, then the PE writers will be having losses. So he will start buying from here because you might have sold somewhere. Here he will sell, here he will sell, here he will sell. But some point of time he need to buy. Where he will buy? That is where the green lines come into picture. Where he will buy is here. Immediately, this is what I call it as, this is my terminology, it is called as a respect. Whenever you are getting a respect means entering this here where this guy is entered, PE writers, sellers have entered, the market will go up from here. From here where it will go till here it will go. From here it will go. Because writers will not go away. Understand that. Because he sells here, if he is getting losses, he will come here and he will sell here. If he is getting still losses, he will come here and sell here. They won't go away from the market so easily. A guy with thousands of crores of money will not go away from the market. He know buyers will. He knows very well that how to attract the buyers. You keep on attracting the buyers, and our buyer will open their eyes only here. They will not think about the consequences. From there, he will push you. He will push you down. So whenever there is a gap down market, open the call side. See, this is called call. But on that day, because of some news, I did not trade on this one, but I was waiting for my lines. When I found that at almost all this is a 10:30 trade, half an hour of market is settled. News also is settled, everything is settled, repo rate is decreased, something they have done. Then you see game of it. This is what I want. Whenever I found that from this particular point, from where the seller will become a buyer, that means the respect is coming at these levels. Immediately, auto trigger also you can keep GTT. Here I will give a trigger point. This is the entry point for me, 113.35. You can even put a GTT trades also and leave it. Nifty, 10, 15 points, at least you should have 15 points in Nifty. I will give for a stop loss. So my stop loss will be suppose 113. My stop loss will be around 100 or 98. So see here. Then the first target. Then first target also you will see. You see this one. He sold something, but market is still there. Second target event. Now you see exactly at this one second target. Once again, he sold something, and then he took it this one here. He is selling. He is keep on buying here. He went. He took entire people till here. From there, he done. He came here. He sold it. Then once again, he came here. I will buy here along with him. I need to buy. along with him I need to buy. I will not, along with him I need to buy. Along with him I need to buy. So we got these many number of flags. This is the flag 1. This is the flag 2. This is flag 3. This is flag 4. Irrespective of the candle, I want to see the respect, whether the writer is giving the respect. Some point I got, some point I got. Then there is, when it is falling, now you see, we got one more flag, 10 points here and there. It doesn't matter for me, but my stop loss will be more. You here, if I start trading instead of here, 10 points more, my SL will be there. So immediately we will take from here to here, he will be keep on selling, we will be keep on buying. From here, we need to always do that. Wherever the seller is becoming a buyer, you need to enter. That is called entry. That is called a proper entry in stock market. Somebody will say that cross lines of EMAs. No, that EMAs and other things sellers will have. If you know 20 EMA, 30 EMA, he also knows that. He knows clearly that all these candles are formed, are created. He is a creator by me only. They will not give any kind of respect to any kind of indicators. They know clearly they are they are movers of the market. That's why if you want to be more profitable, what is a proper entry means wherever seller is there, seller is being a buyer, that is called a proper entry. You guys, now you understand seller becoming a buyer is a proper entry here. That is how we need to understand the entries. This is the basic psychology of a stock market. Whenever gap down, put writer is in the loss, so he will do action, open the call and check. You can back track all my these things. Suppose let's take another day. You take any other day. Okay, we take up for any because options will not be there. No, we take a fourth day. So this is the one that is on Thursday. Thursday market at 9:15 from the previous day it went down. You see, immediately when it went down, put writers started pushing it up. Done, 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 done. First week itself, I came to know, okay, this guy is going to take the market up. Next candle, done. Here I got from the support, the respect is there. Aram say you can sit here. Aram say you can sit here. Till here he is buying. From there, once again he will sell. Market comes down. Once again he will buy from here only. You can see from this line only he started buying. Why from this line? Because he will be in losses if we remove this one. He will be, of course it comes here also, no problem for him, but he is more interested in once again buying from here. That is where sellers are sitting. Seller is becoming a buyer here. So our buyers, retail buyers, will buy here after complete thing is over or a market both acha gaya, we will buy here. Immediately he will take your stop loss. He will take your stop loss. Katam, you are over. You can't you see, buyer thinking will be so emotional. If he loses 1,000 or 10,000, he says that this market is so and so. But seller is not emotional. He is like a Asgar. He will keep on killing your stop losses with a knife without any mercy. He make you to buy here. 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 He will only start selling. Here, whoever buys, their stop losses are gone. Here, whoever buys, their stop losses are gone. Here, whoever buys, their stop losses are gone. Once all the liquidity is taken and grabbed, then once again you take the market up. That is what they will do. That is the reason these lines are very, very, very important in any market. You should know where the buyer. How do you know? Only through consolidation. Let's repeat this session. You need to practice it until unless you won't get consolidation. Certain rules I will tell you today. Consolidation is the one where we will identify buyers, sellers, where we will identify sellers. Okay, identify sellers where sellers are sitting, either put writers or call writers. So we need to draw. We need to draw minimum 3 supports and resistances in resistances. Whatever it is spelling, I don't know. RESISI will. Okay. MINIMUM. Resistances in Nifty Bank Nifty and Sensex. Why I am trying to tell this one is, our market is 6 hours. So our market is 6 hours. Three supports and three resistances are important. Three supports and three resistances for every hour. So it covers all the 6 hours resistances for every hour. So it covers the all the what I meant to say, every hour we are covering. For every hour support resistances we are creating and three resistance on hourly time frame. Hourly time frame. You need to draw this one in an hourly time frame. You make it as an habit this one. So in Nifty or Bank Nifty or whatever it is in Sensex, particularly Indian stock market, you take up to 90, whatever index you take, you just make a habit of drawing three supports and three resistance in an hourly time frame. Hourly time frame. Trading, I will tell how to do. Just this is only analysis, hourly time frame. In the last class also, I told you how to draw this one. Let's repeat this one. Now we have Nifty. On Monday, what will happen? That is what I want. Monday, what is going to happen? So I will tell you few, of course, consolidations by practice it will come, but few analogies I will tell you. First, if you are drawing in, there are two parts. In index, we need to draw index. If it is Nifty, first line, minimum 50 to 70 points, check for consolidation, first line, and later 100 points. Keep it 100 points because that is what the market moves majority of the time. Market moves 50 to 70 points for Nifty. Whereas for Bank Nifty, of course, these are not Santam Santorium. I'm saying it will change sometime depending on the market conditions. We need to draw, and I'm not giving any trades to you. Just I'm telling you to how to draw the lines. Don't trade on those. There are a lot of other factors we need to mix with it. First line should be minimum 100 to 150, and later and other lines and later lines will be more around 300 to 400 points minimum. We need to keep a gap for Bank Nifty or Sensex like this. As it is not a rule, just it will be useful for a fresher if you want to practice it. If you're getting confused in consolidation candles and all those things, consolidations, let go and see now what is the meaning of a consolidation candle. So in consolidation, what happens here? I told you consolidation, we see here two candles in hourly time frame, we will see. What is the closing that is happened on the day 26,186 is the closing. That is where the market has closed. First consolidation, we will draw the resistances first. Where all the resistances are there, you can see here, you can see consolidation in this body to body. Here I am drawing this. This is the first consolidation. This is the line. These two body is equal. So check whether it is in the range of 50 to 70 points. Almost all 26 plus 15. No, 26 plus 15 is 41. You can check for any other consolidation. Okay, there is one more consolidation here. Yeah, 225 is better. 225 is a better consolidation then. Why I am drawing 225 is sellers will not play for 5 points, 2 points, 3 points like buyers. Sellers will stay in the market in the longer term and they know where to hunt. So they will be having a huge stop losses. In Nifty, minimum seller stop loss will be around 70 points. Or else they won't stay in the market because they won't go away from the market so easily. So that is the reason. So what is happening? This is the first here. When the market tomorrow gap up open, first let us draw the consolidations line. After that, what I did, what is the third, second consolidation line, or else whatever it is, in the sense is resistance. From here, I am able to see here the body to body here. You can see consolidation. So almost till it came around. See here how it is coming. Almost till 70 points only it will come. And if the market is an all-time high, if you don't have anything, just take this one and 298, no? 298, 378 you can keep. Okay, that's it. This is the third resistance we got. This is for Monday market. I am not going to change this. I am going to share the same entire thing to you guys. You can even check it. And now, support I am drawing. Similarly, support also. 7624. Yeah, you can keep it here. This is where I am able to see consolidation. You can see Irrespective of the candle, the body near to the body, 5-10 points here and there, it's okay. 127 is the support. 127, why I need to take support? 186, no? 186 means, yeah, okay. 186 is the closing. From there, 186 means 127. Huh. Almost all 50 points is there. 186, 225 is little bit near the resistance. We can go up a bit. But okay, let's keep it like that only at present because I don't see much difference in this. Yeah, this is right. So 26, 186 is the closing from there. Now, this is the first support we are going to say. We got the first supports. Then later, you come up with a next support. See here the consolidation I am seeing in the hourly time frame here. So almost all here, I don't count the points, but only for reverse sake I am telling, I will see wherever the consolidation is there. And then the consolidation, what I am going to see is here. This is where I have seen. This is the consolidation. This consolidation here also you can see one consolidation. So most of the time consolidation is there. So these are the supports. So if it is a huge gap up with any of the Trump kind of a fellow is doing something in this markets, I cannot tell, but normally on that day, market moves in this range only. Market moves in this range only. Suppose if it is a normally if it opened in the sideboard market and if it is above this line sustained, then I will take a call side till here. This is my first target. Second target. If a market is gap down, if it is coming below this line, then only I will sell from here first. Then here I will come here. So this is how we need to draw lines in an index. This is how Nifty I have drawn. Let's go with the Sensex. Let's go with the Sensex. Sensex also for the Monday lines, I am going to tell you how to draw these lines. Go to 1 hour time frame. That's fine. Where the market is closing, 85,712 is the closing time of the market. Here it is there, 85,712. From 85,712, first let us draw the resistances. Here I am seeing, you can see here. This is the first consolidation. There the lines are there. You can see the consolidation here. This is the consolidation, but I am getting to see. This is where the body to body is nearby. Okay, first consolidation. And almost all 712, 927 means 100 to 150. I can go a little bit more also. Here you can keep it. That's fine. Okay. Because sellers know they will want huge profit. Now, there are certain times what happens, you cannot have a top lines or bottom lines. At the time, what you need to do, this is called neighbors lines, we call it as. Padosan ke dage, you take it, neighbors lines. And this is called a pivot point standard. Don't do anything, just take pivot point standard. We are not finding resistances. Here one resistance you keep. If you don't have lines, then only you need to do this. Don't do it pivot point standards blindly. Just if you don't have lines. Now see, these are the resistance lines. I don't have much in Sensex, so I have taken it and kept it like this. Now come up with a support. So 85,712. Where is the first support I can see is here. Here, the consolidation. Here is the consolidation. So now see, this is the 546. Okay. Here these two lines are there, support. Similarly, now from here, here is the support. 512, 121, we can keep any other supports we are getting. No. Yeah, we can keep it here. Almost all 300-400 points, enough. And now it will come, Sensex, no? And now third support we can. Yeah. Third support, you can go little up. Here, here. Where is the third support? Yeah, till here we can give. 136. No. Okay. 136 and as well as 250. Yeah, till here we can go. Here also you can go. That's fine. These two I have taken. These two I have taken. And here also these two are coming body to body. Yeah. This is the support lines for Sensex for you. Sensex for you. So now you know the support and resistances. Whenever the resistance is there, be careful. Market may come down because here the sellers, writers will be losses. Whoever the writer who is sitting here will be in loss. Until unless some candles in 5-minute time frame stays here, then only you need to take a call side market, upside, trade on the upside. So that you need to practice it. So now this is our lines for the indexes for Monday. I will give the same lines in the group also. You see now how the lines are drawn only on the consolidation. Consolidation in the sense there might be certain consolidation candles. Today I will tell what is those consolidation candles. You should know exactly what is the meaning of a consolidation. I told you few candles like uh, 1 hour time frame we will see consolidation candle. Let's see even this also. How do you select? Here I will tell consolidation candles and premium selection. That will be easy for you. Now you see, first we will come for a Nifty. Bank Nifty also same way. I will draw and I will give it to you. Now see, here we have a Nifty index. In the Nifty index, on the day, market is closed at 26,186. So I will select a premium, a Nifty, which is in between 100 to 130 range. So let's 100 to 130 range. 26, 200 call we will see first. 26, 200 call. No, it is little pigmented. 26, 150 call. 26, 150 call. Uh, yeah, it is in our range. So first thing 26, 150 call I have said. This is the Nifty for me. So let me come up with our solution now. So 26 1. So now I will come here. I have taken this. What did I say here in the point number 1? While drawing Nifty in index, now in premium we call it as. In premium, for Nifty, first line should be 30 points. This will change now because premium will not move how much index moves. And later all those lines will be 50 to 70. That's it. 70 points. And then for Bank Nifty and Sensex, this will be little tricky here. First line will be around 70 points, 50 to 70 points. Here it will be 50 to 70. And later lines will be around 100 to 200 points. This is how we are going to keep a normal guess it is. For a premium, this is how it will work. For premium, Nifty will work like this. So these lines are most important. You practice for 1 week, 10 days on these lines and do paper trading. Then you will remove all the indicators from your system. Every indicator will be removed. There is no need to uh, uh, actually think of where to enter. This is what entry I am telling you. Exit also I will tell you because the lines are there for us. There we will exit. So let's take up this one in 1 hour time frame only here also. This is where 107 was the closing. 107 we got the closing. So first draw the resistances. Where you will draw 107, 130 points you keep it. Directly 30 points, 137. Don't hesitate to keep 130 or 140 also you can keep. Here, sometimes what happens, this wick and this body will be same. That is also a consolidation. One candle's body, other candle's wick, both are same here and there, 1 2 points also fine. You see, or else these two wicks are also same, that is also consolidation. If two bodies are same, that is consolidation. Two wicks are same, that is consolidation. One candle body, another candle wick is same, that is also consolidation. This is how we need to identify consolidation candles. Now see, you see the magic here. From here only, seller is pushing back. Seller entered. He's pushing back. He's trying to push you. He's trying to hit your stop loss. That's why I'm going to draw the resistance as this one. Now, from here, what is the next point is this one. Almost till 50, 60.188. Here I found the consolidation. That is the reason. And third one will be little, yeah, this is I got it. So this is how I have drawn these lines. Next, support. Direct 30 points you can keep. 107, 88. Okay. Okay, here I can keep it. I won't count that, but I will, because of practice and practice, I came to know from here it will go up market, and from here, and this is where I am saying once again the consolidation around 68, and last one is this one. This is the Santum Santorium. If this is broken black line, forget about this premium. This premium is dead. They are going to kill that premium like anything. And your stop loss should be around 10 to 15 points here. Now see, if market is gap up opening, call will be here. Call should stay here for 5-10 minutes, then only you take a call. Here it will stay, then it will go up. But don't trade. There are a lot of other factors that I need to explain you along with this one. This is how I'm just telling you, identifying the consolidation candles and drawing the supports and resistances in indexes and in premiums. Indexes and in premiums. Similarly, we will draw for put also. Same thing like 85 100 put, 85, sorry, 26 186, no? 26 200 put, what will be the, I told you, 100 to 140 range, no. 26 150 put only, we will see. This also, what is the range of this one? Oh, too much. Then we should do 26 300, because I want to go in, yeah, 100 to 130. This is fine. Or 250 also you can take, but it's okay. 130 range I got it. 100 to 130 range. This is the Nifty put answered. Similarly, come to 1 hour range. See, I told you, first draw the resistances. Market has to come up here, 130. Okay, here I got first line, consolidation line. These two candles I am looking. These two. So, red line. This is first consolidation, and then this is how we need to identify interest. Second consolidation, it should be more, because buyer want to take you from here. Seller want to take you, all the buyers here. From there he will push. He will push from here because he is active here. Because why he is active? See the VIX. See the VIX. VIX, he entered into this market. He is enter. This fellow knows. Seller is here. He will make you buy here, take till here, and from there he will push you back. So, in the similarly, what is the third consolidation? Here I will keep 250 to 150 is too much. It will come. It is okay, but there are any other here. Okay. Here also is there. Yeah, I will keep it here. 335. 330. But one more consolidation I am able to see here. This is here. If it crosses that, then obviously it goes here. 4 I got it. That's okay. But on the downside, 170. That's it. That's it. This is one consolidation. If it comes below, only last chance it has there is this one. Only two lines I am getting. If it is broken, this one, be careful. Be careful with this. It is anti. From here, seller will take action. You see how many times he is taking action. He is buying from here it came. He took it to this level. And then he pushed it back. He took it to this level. And then here something happened. Respect we got. He took it to this level. From there, he pushed everyone downside. But from here, he cannot push it. Here, he is going up. So see it. So there are a lot of other rules you need to practice along with it. This is how we need to draw on it premiums. This is how we need to draw on it premiums. This is the, and I will show how to draw in last one. This is we will end the topic here, like Sensex. We will see Sensex also. Anyhow, we have drawn these lines in Sensex, right? So these are called as, you name anything. These are called as like what can say, dhage. Baba, Dage Baba strategy. It is. You name anything, it is not a strategy, it is identifying their psychology. And next one, come to the Sensex 85712. Okay, 85700 call we will see. In Sensex, there is a rule that 300 to 400. I will take Sensex or Bank Nifty, at least it should be around 300 to 400 rupees. 300 to 400. 85, 600 we will take and see that how much it is there. Call. Wait, it will come to Bank Nifty. Yeah, Sensex. 300, oh, it is too much. Okay, we'll take it. 85, 800 also we can take, because premiums are little more. This is good for us. So now load the Sensex one. Sensex one. It is taking time. Let it take. We should not hurry, because today is a non-working day, no? This Angel and other things, brokerages will be doing some software maintenance. Because on working day, we cannot have this kind of glitches. Everybody will scold them. Okay, now it has come. So call. So now Come to 1 hour. I told in Nifty 30 points is the first line. After that, 70 to 100 points we can keep. For Bank Nifty or Sensex, first line should be 50 to 70. Later are 100, 150 to 200 points. Like that also you can keep. So this is one of the best strategies that I have devised in markets. Being in the long term in the market, I came to know in the beginning I was so like what I mean to tell you is confused with the indicators. Indicators are lagging. Pin bars are lagging. Sometimes time frames are not going to work. I will tell multi-time frame analysis. Anyhow, topics that are there. Until unless you don't understand the psychology of these particular persons, you cannot be successful in this market. Then later I came to know, oh, okay, this is the what I meant to say is this is what they are trying to do in with the buyers. With the buyer, this is what they are trying to do with the buyers. So, so this is okay. First daga I told you in indexes and other things. Now we will see here. Okay. Um, First I told you this one. Let's see. Top first resistance we will do. 70 points. You will see 366. No, you can find consolidation. That's fine. I find consolidation here. You can see it here. Almost all that is also not consolidation exactly. This is consolidation. 366, 390. No, okay. This is first consolidation. You will keep it here. Okay, yeah. So let be little bit more. Here I am seeing this green candle wick and this red candle body. Let keep it somewhere here. Yeah, 424 is the first one. It is better. And then here you see dotted lines. Super consolidation I got. 515. Then we can go with this resistances. No? Let it be more, little more here. If it cross here 515, 680, it will go. They will take it. They will take it from there. They will push it back. Now similarly, supports we will draw. 366. No, where we are getting first consolidation here. Yeah, these are the supports. 270. We are getting first support. So tomorrow market, depending upon the market opening, I told you where to see. Market is gap down, check the call and see. From here you are getting respect, take the first trade. So practice it. Without practicing, don't take the trades. I will tell a lot of other things, we will mix it up. One sir, 190. 190 is Santam Santorian. Black line means if it is broken down, that premium will never recover. They will kill that premium. All the buyers are gone from that premium. Whoever take a BTST trades and other people will be sitting in the trades, no? They know how to make them kill. What is this? Okay. So this is the C. CE1 we got. And in the similarly, we do it for a Sensex P. Sensex P also 85 700 put we will see. 85 700 put. Sensex P. What is the range of this one? 85 700. 300 to 400. Perfect. In 300 to 400 range only we got. Why? Because 300 to 400 range I will take is one thing, premium is in correct place to buy. That means the value of a premium is good. 300 to premium. I will tell logic behind. There is a logic. I am not taking it blindly. There are a lot of other things in OA analysis. I will tell all those things. Why? Because there will be a theta, gamma, delta, a lot of things calculation they will do in premium. So we don't want to do all those math. So just take it on a take it on like this directly 300 to premium. And second important thing is if you want to buy also, what happens here is if you want to buy, how much you want? Only 6,000 rupees because 20 something is there. The lot size 20 into 300, 6,000. Simply with the 6,000, you can earn around 1,000 to 1,500 rupees aramse with one lot also in Sensex. So imagine the risk to reward ratio, how much you are getting. So if you are a risk taker, more lots, if you have amount of money, and then depending upon the practice, you can go ahead with that. So this is the one. Now coming to but simple logic. Here the market is closed 304. Go for resistances. Absolutely we got here the first resistance. 70 points only almost all it is there. You see, they act like that only. They act like that only. They act with the numbers. Now here we are getting second consolidation and third consolidation. Yeah, here we are getting absolute consolidation. Yep. Here, this is the place I kept. So this is the three consolidation I got. And supports, oh, there is no. Okay. Now it is the interesting one. If it crosses this, what happens in the morning? It may come up also. So I told you, but also the pivot point standards work here also. See, here only it has come, our line and their line. And blindly mark this one, blindly mark this one. Only when you don't find lines. But I will not suggest to draw any lines in premiums if they are not there in the support side, in the downside. I will not suggest. I will suggest them in the index, but not on the premium. Okay. Why? Because when this line is broken, majority of the time premium will be killed. Most of the time I have seen that. When this line is broken, majority of the premium, it is very odd cases when this line is crossed, then it started moving. So on a expiry day, such kind of things, on any of the gamma blast day, those kind of things you can see, but that will not happen quite often. That will not happen quite often. This is how we need to draw these lines. Okay. So this is the drawing of a lines. I told you if you are a fresher, just check with these consolidations. I told you consolidation, wick. So let me tell you the consolidation calendar also. Like what I mean to say is, uh, okay, some paint thing we can take and no consolidation. Anyhow, I will share you with the share you a image. I will put it in the group so that you can see. So these are the points that you need to understand. First, what we need to do in gap up, who is our losers, gap down, who is our losers, and sideways, who are the both are fighting. And then check. There is a data that OI data we need to mix with this one. And until unless you don't understand that one, you will not have any kind of confidence in buying or buying in premiums. I'm telling you, you will be messed up. Only thing I am giving lines, but I will trade only when there is a trade here, 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 here. But from here, it may come down also, it may not go up. That you need to know. From here, it will go up or go down. That I will tell you. That logic is different. That we need to club with some other things. Okay. So those things we need to know. Yeah. That's it from my side for today. Tomorrow at the same time we will meet once again and we will discuss some other topics that what we have left. If any doubts are there also, you guys can ask me. You can go through this video once again and once again practice and you can come with the doubts. Only we are learning this one. Lot of things are there. Lot of things are there to learn. Lot of things, money engineering, liquidity, SL hunt, fake out breakouts, structures, FGVs, how to use them, these things, how to frame your own strategies, how to create your own strategies based on this learning. That is the end point. So this is how I framed my own strategy. There are other strategies, different indexes, different. I will tell you, how do we frame also. So this thing has happened here. Okay, fine. We will meet tomorrow. I will share this video link with you guys. Sure. Have a nice day.